What has happened to my dogs? It has been a while, man. We are checking back in, and today I'm at the auction because we're picking up a buy that we just made. I'm walking over here now, and I'm pretty stoked on this one. It's a really sweet car, but I wanted to show you one of these, a car that's in the auction right now while we're walking over there. Check this thing out. Dude, sick, right? R35, sick. Nissan GTR, so super dope. Then you're like, oh man, oh shit. Look at it, dude. There's no front clip. It's gone. Somebody totaled the same thing. Motor's still here though, so that's got to be worth something as long as it's not blown. But look, such a sad outcome for a GTR, dude. Such a sad outcome. Crazy. And it's a track edition too, which is really freaking, you know, also sad. Look at that. Blown airbags, both of them blown. Still has all the carbon trim, track edition. Recaros. I mean, there's value in it for sure, but goddamn, dude. Really sad outcome for a track edition GTR. Man. So, sorry, my hair's a little nutty today. It's a little windy. But what we just purchased was a 2003. It's a wagon. It's a one-owner car, sold originally brand new in California. And it only ever lived in California and Florida. Decent maintenance. And it's a zero accident car. It's beautiful. And I think we stole this thing, honestly. It's got a really good resale, really good CR rating, which is just like how dealers rate the overall condition of a car based on its history and, you know, just like, and also the actual condition of it visually, like tires, you know, dents, bodywork, whatever else. That's how they rate the cars. This one's rated pretty well. And yeah, I really think that this is gonna be a great way to get ripping on 2024. You know, at the end of this year, I had some issues with licensing, did some other things that I kind of had to do, take a step back a little bit, but we're back in the game, son. About to let it get ripped. So I'm gonna make my way over here. I don't have a whole lot of battery life, unfortunately, so I have to keep this nice and short, but I'm gonna make my way over here, pick up with you guys, and we're gonna get the hell out of here. Let's do it. I found it, I'm looking at it, and sheesh. I feel like we did pretty good on this one, boys. Check this out right here. 2003 Bug-Eye Subaru Impreza Wagon. Now it is automatic, it is a 2.5, it is kind of like a little bit of a poverty spec car, but like I said, it's a one-owner car. And look how beautiful it is, dude. Tent's kind of a little wonky. I'm gonna peel all that stuff off there. Interior's freaking mint. It's mint under it. Look at that, dude. It's money, bro. Female driven, I believe. Tires are good. Whole car runs perfect. Look at it, dude. It's freaking cherry, sonny. It's mint. So we scooped this for pretty cheap too, because of the way that the auctions are right now, because obviously it's, you know, it's right before Christmas. This is like the Friday right before Christmas, and the auctions tend to kind of slow down about this time. The really nice stuff still sells for a lot, but this isn't necessarily bankable. Oh, that's a new check engine code light. That's great. So I'm gonna pop out of here and go fucking scan that thing and figure out what the hell that is. That's nice. Lovely. Got a little belt squeal too. I'm gonna put some belt dressing on this thing, but why the fuck is there a check engine light? That sucks. There wasn't one earlier, so that's funny. I love how everybody just finger fucks everything when they put it through the sale. It does have a seller guarantee for first day though, so I'm gonna go scan this goddamn thing and I'm gonna let them know, hey, you know, seller guarantee, buddy. But I do like the car overall. It's just a very nice condition, nice driver Subaru, honestly. So I'm gonna pay and get the hell out of here. Or actually, I already did pay. I gotta get my gate pass here, give it to this jack off, and then boogie. Not a bad wheel bearing here, it sounds like too. Easy, thanks man. We out this bitch, that's it. It needs a belt bad. I'm gonna put some dressing on that thing and see if we can just get it to quiet down. The car is definitely in good condition overall. I don't like the, it's got a hump. For sure it's got a hump in the back. Wheel bearings are 9. Oh yeah. That back right's bad. That fucking thing's loud as hell. Damn it. Either way, I feel like we did good. So the book on this thing's really high. It's got 99,884 miles in it, right? It books at like $9,000. I know it's not getting 9 grand. I'm gonna fix a few things on this thing, just kind of tighten it up. And then, which probably will be brakes and that wheel bearing, that back right wheel bearing and the belt. And then I'm gonna list it for, you know, 5,500 bucks, see what we can do. So it's a really nice little daily. And then for somebody who's gonna buy this thing and maybe wants to use it for, you know, a turbo swap or something else, this is a perfect chassis to do it with because this thing's money. I mean, look at everything's just so clean. Factory radio. Look at all the paint on, like, on all the dials and buttons and stuff. It's all mint, dude. It's crazy. Look at everything. It's just so nice. All 4 windows work, locks work. Everything works as it should. That thing is barking. That puppy is barking, son. Jesus Christ. All right. So I will catch up with you guys when I am at the shop, and I'm gonna kind of do a little walk around, and we're gonna close this one out. I think we did good. So anyway, here we are. Got back to the shop. Freaking thing runs pretty good. The check engine light, I just scanned it. It came up for no 2 sensor. I'm not really that mad about that. So it is what it is. But otherwise, car definitely needs a rear wheel bearing, probably some brakes, and a belt. But I think we did pretty good on this thing, honestly. We really did. And so tomorrow, I'll probably be back up here, and we'll start working on this thing. This is a quick little video I wanted to get dropped. Just kind of get started again. And get cranking because 2024 is going to be good for us. I'm telling you right now. We're back in a good place. We got everything set up to be perfect this year. So I'm stoked. And I appreciate you guys all carrying along with me. So if you haven't already, check out the website, theauctiondawg.com. There is a submission form on there. You can write into us and see, you know, about cars you guys have for sale, or if you are looking for a car. And subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get monetized. I was hoping that it would happen this year. I think we got like, the minor like monetization, which is like 3,000 or whatever watch hours. It's not that much, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, like I said, check out the website, subscribe to the freaking channel. We want to blow up this year and get it cracking. We're almost monetized, and it's gonna happen, and I'm really stoked about it. And honestly, this is gonna be a great way to get the year kicked off right. So peace out, my dogs. I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. That's it.